Today is a celebration of 50 years of the Maryland Poison Center at the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy. That's 50 years of working with healthcare professionals to educate them on best practices in poisoning care. And that's 50 years of educating the public about poison safety.
I think it's remarkable that you have the wherewithal to keep up to date because, my golly, how many new drugs and chemicals and things do we have on a daily basis?
We count on the fact that you have the databases, the personalities, the education and training, and the patience to talk to panicked parents, to talk to healthcare professionals who are seeing children. And you do something that many of our clinicians don't have the time to do anymore, and that is call back. And I know you're there for when there's a question, when there's an emergency, and to help determine what is that critical time when we do want 911 called.
We hired great people who were able to do their jobs, were committed to making the Poison Center a better place, and it became, I think, one of the excellent poison centers in the country.
We're a center that was looked to by other centers as a place that's doing it right. So the National Capital Poison Center, when they were getting started, sent their poison specialists here for their training. The Philadelphia Poison Center, when they were getting started, sent their poison specialists here. We get all kinds of calls, and we have to deal with all different kinds of problems, and the poison specialists do it with aplomb. So thank you for everything that you guys do, and here's to another 50.